Kenya Revenue Authority has introduced a new system for landlords called the Electronic Rental Income Tax System, or the eRITS. But how exactly do you register for monthly rental income using this system? Let's go through it step by step together. So what has changed? Previously, landlords would register rental income directly through the KRA portal. But now, all property registration for monthly rental income will be done through the electronic rental income tax system. However, filing of the returns can still be done through the normal KRA portal. So this is how you get to the eRITS portal. You go to erits.kra.go.ke. From here, you can register your rental property and file your MRI returns. So to begin, we will start with registration. So from this point, you start with this point that reads I would like to and select register your properties. And then you click get started. So the eRITS system lets you log in using the eCitizen account. So what you do, click here that says log in with eCitizen, and then it allows you to the eCitizen login details. So input your login details and sign in. That is your username and your password. And then click sign in. Then you'll get this notification. Click proceed. So that will add you into this page, and you will see that your account is there. That is your name and your KRA PIN number. Once you confirm they are okay, you can click inside the details to proceed. You'll be required to select which account to use here. So in our case, we shall select landlord account. Then you get to this dashboard. Here, we are going to register the property, and that is the key step that brings your rental into the system. So once you complete this, the property is automatically linked to monthly rental income, or the MRI, within eRITS system. So think of this step as the gateway. This is what activates everything that follows. So after this, you will be able to declare your rental income and continue with the monthly filing process. So to begin with, go to register new property, and then insert your property details here, and then click validate. So go ahead and enter your property location details. And then click next. Go ahead and input your building details here. In my case, I've chosen one building. So ensure you indicate all your buildings in number in this section. Assuming you have 10 buildings, you have to indicate 10. This refers to the apartment measurement. You can choose to bulk upload units if you have an Excel list of all your units, but using a specific Excel template from here. So that will be a video for another day. So for now, we include every detail manually in this section. And then click next. Here you'll get this notification to show your properties have been successfully validated. So finally, click on submit, and your properties will be completely registered for monthly rental income. So I've followed the process as it appears on the system. So this should guide you step by step as you go through it yourself. So if you found this helpful, feel free to like, comment, and share your experience or any questions you might have in the comment section below. And as always, let's keep learning together. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.